Hello, let's do a how to use LaughLand teeth whitening kit. So the kit is best to use before bed, and try not to drink coffee beforehand. So what you do is you take the syringe that they come with and you put 1/4 of the formula on the top and then 1/4 of the formula on the bottom of the mouthpiece. And then you just plug it into any device and do it for at least 15 minutes, and you can do it up to 30, so I usually do 30 for the best results. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. So time to take it out. And then after you do it, you don't want to eat any colored foods for a minimum of 2 hours and up to 8 hours. And it comes with 3 gel kits, which is up to 6 uses because you use half each time. So you want to do it daily for 6 treatments for 6 days to see the best results. Because remember, teeth whitening is a routine. It's not just one and done.
I just got the LaughLand teeth whitening kit. Teeth whitening is super important to me because I am a dental hygienist. This kit comes with a UV light, and it also comes with 3 whitening gels. You can take a 60-second quiz online, so the teeth whitening kit is personalized for you. So this is me before. I'm going to show you guys. This plugs into your phone, so it's super convenient. So these are the results immediately after. You can already tell how much whiter my teeth are just after 1 use. You keep it on for 5 minutes and it already looks this good. You guys definitely need this product in your life. Go check it out.
I got sick of looking at my wife's yellow teeth. I know what you're thinking. Getting my wife a teeth whitening kit seems super mean. Kind of like getting her a gym membership if she was to put on a few pounds. But hear me out, because I promise that was not the case at all.
He's right. I'd become extremely self-conscious about what my teeth were starting to look like. Since he had such impressive results with the DIY brand he found online, it seemed like a no-brainer for him to get me a customized kit as well. Even though I initially wasn't happy with him, I couldn't argue the results and slowly started to forgive him. My teeth were noticeably whiter in literally under a week, and I couldn't stop smiling.
Visit mylaughland.com to get a customized plan and a more confident smile.
Look what I just got. Teeth whitening on the go. Look, this is how easy it is. Go to the top. Choose the bottom. Quick advice, just focus on the dark spots, whatever you see, imperfections. Right, this is how simple it is. All you do is wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, get some water, rinse off your mouth, spit it out. You're good to go. Thank you, LaughLand.
I cannot go a day without drinking coffee, but one of the biggest downfalls about drinking coffee is that it can stain your teeth quite a bit. If you didn't know, I am a registered dental hygienist, and I literally have posted multiple TikToks on how I whiten my teeth at home, but I found a product that is clinically approved and designed by dentists, and I've been using it, and it's been a game changer. The product is from LaughLand, and in my opinion, it is easier than using whitening strips. It comes with an LED light that you literally just plug it into your phone, and 3 syringes, and you only need half of the syringe per use. So I'm filling it up, use half the syringe, and you only want to use it for 5 to 15 minutes. After the 5 minutes, just rinse it off with some warm water, and look, my teeth are so white and shiny, and right now they're having an exclusive TikTok sale. I think it's 40% off, so you can get it for like $29, and in this economy, that is a slay. Alrighty, bye.